Did you know drift emissions are one of the worst nuisance complaints with owner-operators of cooling towers? Hot water is sprayed over fill media inside cooling towers. Some of those water droplets get caught up in the high exit velocity of the cooling tower, get past the drift eliminators, and make it feel like it's sprinkling near the cooling tower. These tiny water droplets are called drift emissions. Drift emissions contain mineral, bacteria, and harmful chemicals that keep window washers in business, corrode valves shut, damage paint, and kill vegetation. Additionally, drift emissions can create slipping hazards during winter conditions and carry disease such as Legionella. Drift emissions can even be classified as PM10 emissions by the EPA and be an important factor in environmental permitting for industrial plants. Even though it's a small fraction of the circulating water flow, a conventional 1,000-ton cooling tower that would support a larger building can routinely spray out over 200 gallons of these drift emissions daily. Tower Tech turned the cooling tower industry upside down by placing its fans below the cooling tower. Instead of having a high suction of water droplets with a top-mounted fan, bottom-mounted fans allow the drift eliminators to better do their job of keeping the tiny water droplets inside the cooling tower. With a maximum drift rate 80 to 92% less than most of today's conventional designs, that means a lot less nuisance and maintenance, tangible water savings, greater environmental friendliness, and significantly improved public safety. Tower Tech, the lowest total cost of ownership and best return on investment in the cooling tower industry.